A massive winter storm has been wreaking havoc across the U.S. since Friday, bringing record-breaking cold, heavy snow, blizzard conditions, and tornadoes to different regions. Millions of Americans have been affected by the storm, which has disrupted travel, caused power outages, and claimed at least 16 lives.
Doing a great job.
The storm hit the Midwest and the Northeast, with up to 22 inches of snow in some areas, creating whiteout conditions and shutting down major highways. The National Weather Service issued blizzard warnings for parts of Minnesota, Wisconsin, Michigan, and New York, where wind gusts reached up to 106 mph. More than 2,600 flights were canceled, and over 6,000 were delayed nationwide on Saturday. In Chicago, hundreds of vehicles were stranded on snow-covered streets, and more than 10 million customers were without power in Illinois. The storm also brought the coldest Christmas Eve on record for some cities, such as Atlanta and Tallahassee, where the high temperatures were below freezing. Meanwhile, the storm triggered severe thunderstorms and tornadoes across the South, especially in Florida, where the governor declared a state of emergency for 49 counties. The Weather Service confirmed at least 3 tornadoes in the Florida Panhandle, which damaged buildings, toppled trees, and blew over RVs. 4 people died in weather-related accidents in Ohio, 3 in Kentucky, 3 in Kansas, 1 in Tennessee, 1 in Wisconsin, and 1 in New York.
Check out the snow drifting.
The storm also brought hail the size of baseballs to parts of Alabama and Georgia, and strong winds to the Carolinas and Virginia. The storm is expected to move out of the U.S. by Sunday, but the cold air will linger for a few more days. The Weather Service warned of life-threatening wind chills and potential flooding in areas where the snow will melt due to rain. Another winter storm is possible next week, which could bring more snow and ice to the East Coast. The Weather Service advised people to stay indoors and avoid unnecessary travel until the conditions improve. The storm has also affected other parts of the country, such as the Pacific Northwest, where heavy snowfall and freezing rain caused power outages and road closures. In Boise, Idaho, residents had to dig out their cars and sidewalks after a huge snowstorm on Saturday. The storm also brought snow to parts of the Southwest, such as Arizona and New Mexico, where some areas saw more than a foot of snow. The storm has been one of the most powerful and widespread winter storms in recent history, affecting nearly every state in the continental U.S. The storm has also been a reminder of the impacts of climate change, which can make extreme weather events more frequent and intense. The storm has also shown the resilience and solidarity of the American people, who have helped each other cope with the challenges and hardships caused by the storm.